Yo, what's up? A quick one. Every manufacturer, vehicle manufacturer, they design their vehicles to stand the test of time, and this is made possible with having the right culture. I mean, away from the manufacturer now to the user, having the right maintenance culture. So we have, I'll give us just three basic types of maintenance that we have in cars. We have the scheduled maintenance, which is what is common: oil filter, right, brake pads, etc. Okay, the serpentine belt, check the fluids, check water, change wipers. These are all scheduled maintenance. However, we pay less attention to other types of maintenance, one of which I'll be sharing with us today. The second type, which we should avoid, is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is what most of people do. This is what I call the popping repairs. It causes popping repairs because it is until a part completely breaks down that you decide to change it. For example, tires. For example, your wheel hub. For example, your brake disc. This is the second type of maintenance. We should avoid it. Now, the third type of maintenance is what I would like us to imbibe in line with the first type of maintenance, which is scheduled maintenance. This is called predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is superb in the sense that because of the feedbacks that we would be doing while your vehicle is maintained every now and then, right, due to diagnostics and other things, there will be recommendations you'll be getting to change one part or the other in your vehicle. Keep to these and your vehicle will stand the test of time. I have with me here a 2007 G-Wagon. So this vehicle has been upgraded and double upgraded. Let me show you something. You can see this is the key, right? So all I just need to do is press and hold the unlock button. You see that? Okay. So, and believe you me, someone else would get interest, buy this car and continue to use it. You like the idea of having this for your vehicle? Bye.